Let's talk about a legend, a soldier turned symbol of what it means to sacrifice everything for the mission. Meet Nathan Rad Spencer, better known as the Bionic Commando, the cybernetic hero of Capcom's gritty, war-torn universe. Backstory: Nathan Spencer was once an elite soldier in the Federal Bionic Arm Division, a top-secret military unit dedicated to creating super soldiers through cybernetic enhancement. But after losing his arm in combat, Nathan volunteered for a radical experiment that would change his life forever: the Bionic Reconstruction Program. The operation replaced his lost limb with a powerful mechanized arm, fused directly into his nervous system. From that moment, he wasn't just human anymore. He became the Bionic Commando, humanity's weapon against its own destruction. How he became Bionic Commando. After the war, fear and politics led to the Bionic Purge, where the government outlawed bionic soldiers, branding them dangerous. Nathan, once a hero, was imprisoned. But when a rogue military faction known as the Imperial Forces rose and unleashed chaos, the government had no choice but to free the one man who could stop them. His mission: save the world that turned its back on him. Abilities: Bionic Arm, his signature weapon. It extends, grapples, swings, crushes, and even serves as a shield or projectile weapon. Superhuman strength. The bionics amplify his muscle density, giving him the power to lift vehicles and tear through steel. Enhanced reflexes. His neural connection to his arm lets him react faster than any human soldier. Tactical genius. Years of combat training make him an expert in guerrilla warfare, stealth, and vertical mobility. Pain resistance. His augmented nerves dull pain, allowing him to fight through wounds most soldiers wouldn't survive. Fighting style. Nathan fights like a predator in motion, combining his bionic arm with traditional weaponry. He swings across cities like a steel phantom, grappling, disarming, and striking with devastating mechanical precision. His combat style blends brute strength with creative momentum. Every wall, beam, and structure becomes part of his battlefield. Purpose. Spencer's purpose is both personal and patriotic: to fight for a world that fears what he's become. He's a hero born from tragedy, struggling to balance duty and humanity, proving that a soldier's heart can still beat beneath the armor. Age universe. Age, typically depicted in his mid to late 30s, battle-hardened but still in his prime. Universe. He exists within Capcom's universe, occasionally crossing into shared worlds like Marvel vs. Capcom, standing shoulder to shoulder with legends like Ryu, Mega Man, and Captain America. Final words. Nathan Rad Spencer isn't just a soldier. He's a reminder of the cost of progress. Part man, part machine, all mission. The Bionic Commando swings through war zones not for glory, but for redemption. Let's talk about the Bionic Commando, Nathan Rad Spencer. This is no ordinary soldier. Spencer is a war hero turned legend, rebuilt through bleeding-edge cybernetic science. His most defining feature? That incredible bionic arm, a fusion of man and machine that redefines human limits. Let's get into it. The bionic arm. Grapple system. It extends up to several meters, allowing Spencer to swing across cities, scale buildings, or close in on enemies instantly. Think Spider-Man agility, but made of steel. Crushing strength. The arm amplifies his raw power exponentially. He can lift vehicles, tear through armor, and deliver devastating melee strikes that would crush concrete. Integrated tools. Built-in weaponry, sensors, and hacking systems make it more than an arm. It's a complete combat interface. Energy core. Powered by advanced military tech, the arm's red glow isn't just for show. It channels energy for attacks, propulsion, and even shields. Enhanced combat abilities. Superhuman reflexes. His neural link lets the arm move as fast as his thoughts. He reacts in milliseconds. Tactical training. Spencer's a soldier first, with elite-level marksmanship, hand-to-hand combat mastery, and urban warfare experience. Augmented mobility. That arm isn't just strength. It's speed, balance, and momentum, turning battlefields into playgrounds. Psychological edge. Spencer's connection to his arm goes deeper. Literally, it's fused into his nervous system, giving him an almost symbiotic awareness of the machine. Every movement, every surge of power feels natural. But that bond also carries a burden, one of pain, loss, and control. In short, Nathan Rad Spencer isn't just enhanced, he is the future of combat engineering, the perfect blend of human grit and mechanical perfection.